Are you free of financial fear? Do you hold any of the beliefs like rich people are greedy, or you can't mark something up over 100%? It's not fair. Oh, it's hard to make money. If you hold any of these beliefs about money, if you get like really hung up and scared about money, or worrying that you're gonna not have enough, or worrying that you can't make enough money, any of these beliefs, they're toxic. And if you hold them, you're not gonna help yourself become successful. What you need to do is you need to change your mindset. If you want a lot of money, you can't be afraid of it. I know this sounds really simple and like 101, but you've got to understand this. A lot of people that I talk to who are beginning out as an entrepreneur, they're scared of money. They're afraid they're not gonna have enough money. They think rich people are greedy. How many people here grew up in a family that taught them that having too much money was bad? Guys, how many people here, give me a thumbs up or give me a like if you here grew up in a family where they said things like money is the root of all evil, or that they believe that we're not one of those people. They're different than us, the rich people. You can't be one of those people. Oh, they're different. You're not one of them. So if you grew up with any of those beliefs, obviously you're going to restrict yourself in massive ways, and you're going to hold yourself back. So the number one way to get rid of this is, you know, I was fortunate because I didn't have too many of those beliefs growing up. But one of the biggest ways to get rid of this belief, get it out of there. By the way, still hanging, Marina Del Rey, the boats. Beautiful out here, guys. By the way, beautiful fall day. The way to get rid of it is to change your physiology, guys. Change your physiology. Get yourself in a new state. If you sit all day, if you lie on a couch, if you get your feet up, do something different. Sit on the edge of your seat. That's the simplest thing. If you're just slouching in your chair most of the day, sit on the edge of your seat. That's your activated you. That's your you that is not afraid of money. That's the version of you that can do anything, that can make anything, that is successful. So change your physiology, change how your brain works, we change everything, we change your whole belief system. Have you noticed more successful people, they have a certain walk, they have a certain confidence about them, right? It's because their physiology changes along with their mind, they're intertwined. And the best way to help yourself become successful, to become unstoppable, is change your body, change your physiology, change how you sit, change how you stand, change how you move, change your gait, change how you look at people. Or when you're talking to people, are you looking on your phone, tapping away, or are you looking people straight in the eye? You have a powerful gaze. Whatever that is, you change your physiology, you change everything. And what inspired me to do this vlog was actually a really great teacher that I've had, which is Tony Robbins. So if anybody isn't familiar with Tony Robbins, guys, look him up. I'm gonna put a link or something there. He is absolutely amazing. He's the best at creating change in people that has ever existed in my opinion. So he's helped me create massive breakthroughs in my life, and I just want to pay homage to this guy because he's unbelievable. Now, he has great stuff on YouTube, he has great content on YouTube, but really, if you want to get the essence of what he is the best in the world at, you've got to go to one of his events. They're called Unleash the Power Within. You know, if you want to get his knowledge too, I'd suggest you also follow a guy named Stephen James. His name's Stephen Pyloremos. Nobody can pronounce his last name because it's Greek, but Stephen James of Project Life Mastery. We all have gone through Tony Robbins' live events. His live events are unbelievable at changing your state, changing your physiology, changing how you approach things, because if you change how you move, how you think, how you look at people, you're going to change everything else. You're going to change your beliefs. You're going to change how you work. I know it sounds really simple. I know it sounds really weird, but you have to change your state, change your physiology, and you'll change everything else. Get rid of that financial fear. That's the way to get rid of it. We're wired. We're animals. This is hacking. This is basically hacking your freaking brain here. That's what we're doing. You're like, changing your physiology would help change your fear of financial failure and ruin. Actually, yeah. It's weird, but that's how it works. Hopefully some people watch this are like, okay, I'll try this. Let me know how that works.